So let's go on to this day in history, then we'll go back and recap everything that we need to get finished up, and we'll be out of here. Okay?
And now, Micah Jack's This Day in History.
Can everybody hear that?
You turned it
All
down.
right, I got to get a sounding. You know, I've been in this position as Ed McMahon for, 4 or 5 years now. I have put $0 into the production, and my campaign promise, I'm going to buy a mixing board. I don't care if this costs me $39. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I don't care what it costs. America needs this. Smack and Jack needs this. Thank you.
Love it, man. Love it.
Where's the other hand? You understand? The top 2% of our audience needs a mixing board. Let's get on with the show. Very good.
Where you been keeping that one, man? That was
I don't
awesome.
know. I just watching a lot of late night lately.
That was awesome,
so,
man.
yeah.
All right.
This day in 1960.